Welcome to the tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up promotion code tracking for your referral and affiliate campaigns with Stripe and Referral Rocket. To begin, enable the use of promotion codes on Stripe-hosted checkout pages, such as for payment links or pricing tables. Log into your Stripe dashboard and head to the Payment Links section. Click Edit on the link you want to modify. Scroll down to the Advanced options and check the box that says Allow Promotion Codes. In the preview of the checkout page on the right, you can see that the Add Promotion Code field has been added. Then, save your changes. This process is similar for pricing tables. Check our documentation for more details. Next, let's configure your campaign and reward details in Referral Rocket. Please note that promotion code tracking is supported only for double-sided campaigns. Log into Referral Rocket and create a new campaign. For this example, we'll use the Refer a Friend campaign type. Select the double-sided campaign subtype to reward both the referee and the referrer. Configure the reward details by selecting the type and specifying the referee reward value, which will be used to generate the referee coupon. Complete any additional settings, and when ready, click Save to finalize your campaign setup. By integrating Stripe with Referral Rocket, coupons are automatically created in your Stripe dashboard, eliminating the need for manual coupon creation. These coupon details match the rewards you set up in your campaign. Take a moment to confirm that everything is correct. With your setup now complete, stay tuned for a demo where we'll walk you through testing your promotion code tracking to confirm everything is functioning as expected. First, let's create a test participant and generate their unique code. Go to the Referral Rocket hosted campaign widget or use the embedded script on your website to sign up as a test participant. Complete the required fields and submit the form. Once submitted, Referral Rocket will automatically generate a unique referral link for the participant. At the end of this link, you'll find a unique code. Copy this unique code. It's used by Referral Rocket to create a promotion code for the participant through the Stripe API, which is tied to your campaign's coupon. You can confirm if the code was created successfully by checking the coupon section in the Stripe dashboard. There, you'll see that Referral Rocket has automatically generated a promotion code linked to your campaign's coupon. Let's now simulate a customer checkout to ensure everything is working. First, open your website in a new tab to simulate a customer visit. Next, click on the Pay or Subscription button for your product, which will take you to the Stripe checkout page. Apply the promotion code during checkout, complete the form, and process a test payment. Make sure to use Stripe's test mode to avoid any actual charges. Once the test payment is processed, log into your Referral Rocket account and navigate to the Participant Details section under the campaign page. You'll see the new customer listed as a referred participant. You can also check the referrer's reward in the Reward section to make sure everything has been tracked correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. If something doesn't match, please refer to our setup documentation for assistance. If the issue persists or you need further help, feel free to contact us via chat support or email.